Welcome to my channel, Makeup Shakeup. If you love bold, fresh, and eye-catching makeup looks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a gorgeous orange eye makeup look that's perfect for summer, festivals, vacations, or whenever you want your eyes to stand out. So, let's get started. The first step to any beautiful eye look is preparing your eyelids. Apply an eyeshadow primer or a little concealer and blend it evenly. This creates a smooth base and helps your eyeshadow stay vibrant all day. Next, take a light peach or soft beige shade and blend it into your crease. This transition shade will make the orange eyeshadow blend more naturally. Now comes the star of the look. Pick a bright matte orange eyeshadow and gently pack it onto your eyelid using a flat brush. Build the color slowly until you achieve the intensity you like. Then, use a fluffy blending brush to soften the edges for a seamless finish. To add more depth, apply a warm brown shade to the outer corner of your eye and blend it into the orange. This simple step gives your eyes more dimension without taking away the brightness of the orange color. For extra sparkle, you can add a touch of gold or champagne shimmer to the center of your eyelid. This catches the light beautifully and makes the eyes look more glamorous. Now, line your upper lash line with black or dark brown eyeliner. If you prefer a softer look, you can skip the wing and simply keep the liner close to your lashes. Apply the same orange eyeshadow along your lower lash line and blend it gently. This balances the entire eye makeup and gives it a polished appearance. Finish with plenty of mascara, or add false lashes if you're going for a more dramatic effect. Finally, highlight the inner corners of your eyes and your brow bone with a light shimmer to make your eyes look brighter and more awake. And that's it! Your stunning orange eye makeup look is complete. Pair it with nude lips for a balanced look or a glossy finish for a fresh and modern style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Makeup Shakeup, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new beauty tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!